Hi, my name is Mohamed Kerry. I'm a product manager here at Phocos. This year at RE+, we're introducing a new product into our Any-Grid ecosystem, which is a 51.2 volt nominal voltage energy storage system, which we call our Any-Cell. It's a compact modular solution based on lithium iron phosphate cells, which we chose really because of their safety and lifetime advantage over other lithium chemistries. It has out-of-the-box compatibility with our Any-Grid Hybrid Inverter line. Both products are actually modular up to 9 units. So the ESS itself can be mounted on the wall as multiple units or up to 9 units as a rack mount, so they would fit a telecom rack mount. The Any-Grid as well can be scaled up to 9 units, either for parallel capacity or in a 3-phase configuration or a split-phase configuration. And of course, they're both out-of-the-box compatible with our Phocos Link Cloud, which is our online remote monitoring platform, accessible via cloud.phocos.com. So we're really going after a safe, simple to install system that can be managed via the cloud. You can see all of your historical data and really manage in a simple way all of your system. Or as an installer, you can also see many systems you've installed and can help your clients remotely and have a big picture of all of your installs. If you liked our content, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss our future videos.
For more videos and information, go to www.phocos.com. Phocos, making reliable energy access possible. Anywhere, anytime, any grid.